1 and 2, 3 and 4, party break, 5 and 6, 2 count you front, 7 and 8. So the pseudo don't give you extra count hold, don't hold there, okay? So our side exactly same. 1 and 2, su, 3 and 4, party break, 5 and 6, 2 count you front, 7 and 8. Start from back. 1 and 2, back to 3, clear 4. Front pass 5 and 6, count you to the side. And then our side back exactly same. 1 and 2, you need a back to okay? And plie, front pass landing on the face. 2 count you to the side. And then you chasse front, you plie, give you 2 counts, and then you pass it turn. And then simply turn you back, you plie, pass it turn. And then the last one, railway, plie, one more turn, finish it down. By the end, they have 3 turns, okay? So don't need